So we just looked at the purl stitch. So we have the purl stitch here on the needles. And we're going to look at stockinette stitch now, which abbreviated you might see in a pattern as STST. And this is where you will purl one row and then knit one row. And the finished fabric looks like this. You have all those purl stitches on the front and you have the knit stitches on the back. And this is a very commonly used pattern stitch that's in many hats, cowls, infinity scarves, all sorts of patterns use this. So it's a very common stitch to know. So we have a row of purl stitches there. So now I'm going to knit. So this is my row of knit stitches that I'm doing now. Remember, through the back. So when you knit, you always work your needle through the back. And you have your working yarn in your right hand. So that's the row of knit stitches there. And then when I come to the end of that row, I will turn it round and I will purl at one row. So when you purl a row, you always work in the front of the stitch, needle through the front loop and then through like this. So one row knit, one row purl, one row knit, one row purl, and that just continues through the work, and that is stockinette stitch. And you will see that we're starting to get all the purl stitches on the front there, and then you have all of those knit stitches on the back, which is how it's supposed to look. So again, continue. So knit one row, and then when you come to the end of that row, you turn and you purl one row. And like I said before, that just continues until you need to change in your pattern or whatever. So practice that, and it's a great way to practice both of those knit and purl stitches, and just practice using, do a sample and just practice that before maybe you start your pattern. So there's all of those purl stitches, and when you come to the end, you turn it back round, and then you can see that all of those purl stitches are on the front side there, and then you have your knit stitches on the back, and that is the stockinette stitch. Okay, thanks for watching.